Number 1. 1986 Jeep Comanche 4-wheel drive, $4,500, Port Orchard, Washington. This 1986 Jeep Comanche is a rare compact pickup from the American Motors era. It features a 2.8-liter V6 engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Showing 152,000 miles with a clean title, it runs well but needs a carburetor rebuild. The body is mostly straight with minor dents, making it a solid project for off-road use or restoration. Number 2. 1984 Dodge Stepside Pickup Project, $20,500, San Jacinto, California. This 1984 Dodge D-Series Stepside project in San Jacinto, California, is powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Priced at $2,500, the truck is not currently running, but is described as complete with a solid body. It carries lien sale paperwork rather than a standard title, which buyers should carefully review. These mid-1980s Dodge trucks are appreciated for their squared body styling and durable drivetrains. With restoration, this example could become a desirable classic cruiser or light-duty hauler. Number 3. 1986 Toyota Pickup Hilux rear-wheel drive, $5,000, Santa Monica, California. Located in Santa Monica, California, this 1986 Toyota Hilux represents the legendary fourth-generation compact Toyota truck. Powered by the highly regarded 2.4-liter 22R four-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, it has 215,230 miles and a clean title. Known worldwide for exceptional durability, these trucks frequently surpass extremely high mileage with proper care. This California-based example has recently passed emissions testing and benefits from a dry climate history. It is an honest, dependable classic pickup with strong enthusiast demand. Number 4. 1978 Ford Courier, $3,200, Sacramento, California. The 1978 Ford Courier, offered in Sacramento, California, is a compact pickup from the era when Ford partnered with Mazda for small truck production. Equipped with a manual transmission and showing 90,000 miles, this example reportedly runs well and features a clean title. The seller notes no rust and a solid frame, which is critical for vintage compact trucks. Couriers are lightweight, simple, and increasingly rare, making this a practical and collectible entry-level classic. Number 5. 1986 Toyota Pickup, $4,800, San Juan Capistrano, California. This 1986 Toyota Pickup in San Juan Capistrano, California, is powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine and rear-wheel drive. With 230,000 miles and a clean title, it has reportedly been owned for about 10 years and has proven reliable. The seller indicates it runs great and will pass emissions testing. Mid-1980s Toyota pickups are widely respected for mechanical longevity and simplicity. Even with higher mileage, well-maintained examples remain highly desirable among collectors and daily drivers alike. Number 6. 1974 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 10 4-wheel drive, $4,850, Spokane Valley, Washington. This 1974 Chevrolet C10 short bed 4-wheel drive in Spokane Valley, Washington, is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo Hydra-matic automatic transmission. Owned for over a decade, it features factory options including air conditioning, tilt steering, factory tachometer, and original audio equipment. The truck runs smoothly, but has a loud exhaust due to a missing component. Body rust is present in the cab corners and rocker panels, yet the floors remain solid. Square-body Chevrolet trucks are among the most sought-after classic pickups today, and short-bed four-wheel drive examples are especially collectible. Number 7, 1989 Ford F-250, $2,500, Seaside, California. Offered in Seaside, California, this 1989 Ford F-250 long bed pickup is powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission and operates on natural gas rather than gasoline. Showing 82,176 miles and carrying a clean title, it is described as being in non-operational registration status but in excellent working condition. It features cold air conditioning, power steering, and an 8-foot bed. Late 1980s F-Series trucks are valued for their durability and straightforward mechanical design, and alternative fuel conversions can provide lower operating costs. Number 8, 1959 GMC 100 pickup, $15,000, Grover Beach, California. This 1959 GMC 100 in Grover Beach, California, has undergone significant mechanical refurbishment. It features a fully rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 engine with approximately 180 miles since completion, paired with a turbo-hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Additional upgrades include performance carburation, dual exhaust, new tires, new carpet, and headliner. The truck retains drum brakes and manual steering. Finished in a clear-coated bare metal look, it is a driver-quality classic rather than a show vehicle. Late 1950s General Motors pickups are highly collectible for their iconic styling and strong customization potential. Number 9, 1966 Chevrolet C20 3/4 ton pickup, $9,500, Bakersfield, California. Located in Bakersfield, California, this 1966 Chevrolet C20 is a true survivor example with a straight 6 engine and manual transmission. Showing 77,849 miles and a clean title, it runs well and remains structurally solid. The truck features fresh upholstery and new tires, while retaining its authentic patina finish. Mid-1960s Chevrolet trucks are prized for their clean lines and dependable drivetrains. This example offers originality and character, appealing to collectors who value preserved classics over fully restored builds. Number 10. 1983 Chevrolet K10 Diesel Long Bed, $7,000, San Diego, California. This 1983 Chevrolet K10 square body pickup in San Diego, California, is equipped with a 6.2-liter diesel V8 engine and automatic transmission, along with functional four-wheel drive. The odometer reads approximately 16,000 miles, and it carries a salvage title. Notable features include dual fuel tanks, Silverado trim, mud-terrain tires, and original interior elements. The truck runs and drives well, but requires minor cosmetic and functional attention. Early 1980s diesel-powered Chevrolet trucks are valued for torque, fuel efficiency, and classic square body styling, making this an appealing vintage utility vehicle with strong enthusiast interest.